Well, I have to share this with you guys and gals. This is liquid latex that I got, and it works very well, and I liked it, but I let it, I capped it up tight. That's the cap right there, and I let it sit in my drawer with other glues and such for, I don't know, maybe, I don't know if it was a year. But now I took it out because I wanted to use it for something. And I know I had the cap on tight, but the whole thing is kind of solidified inside the bottle, plastic bottle. So I'm trying to pull it out. I used the pliers, and now I've got one end of it in the vise, and I'm pulling on it. Let me see if I can pull on it while I'm shooting with one hand also. I hope it's not a big splash at the end. See, it slides out a little bit at a time because I'm trying to get this width through that. So I think, I hope I don't fall over backwards while I'm pulling on this thing. What I'm hoping is, well, one thing this demonstrates is how strong this is. I'm hoping I can get just a couple little drops out of it so I can use it to mend some fabric. Hold on while I use two hands to pull. But what I did finally decide to do is cut it open. And sure enough, there is a little liquid left in the bottom. I think maybe I can use that for my repair. But that's pretty funny, isn't it? I just wanted to share it with you guys and gals. The whole latex material solidified into like a sleeve all the way to the bottom of the bottle, and then so it's getting solid from the outside towards the inside. You can see a little hole there where there was probably less than an ounce of liquid left in there out of 6 ounces. So just a fun thing on Froggy's workbench. Needed to share it with you. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Ooh, I got a little bit of a dot of it on my smartphone. I got to get that off before it goes solid. Okay, this is strong stuff. I would still recommend it, but you have to use it up pretty fast. It'll go bad. Okay, Froggy out. I'll leave a link to the product in my comments. Bye-bye. That's what I wanted to use it on. This little pull thing was coming off in the washing machine. So I took a straw and dipped it into the liquid latex that was still in the bottom there. And I just dipped the straw on there, and it kind of soaks in almost, and I think that'll probably never come off anymore. It'll get solid. If it gets a quarter as strong as that is there, it'll never fail. Okay, bye.